Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something very important, dengue. Dengue is a disease caused by a virus that is spread by mosquitoes. It is common in many parts of the world, including India. Dengue can make a person very sick. A person who is infected by dengue have chances of getting high fever, severe headaches, pain behind the eyes, muscle and joint pain, and even rashes. So it is important for us to know how to protect ourselves and our community from dengue.
Dengue is a virus that is transmitted through the bite of an infected Aedes mosquito. These mosquitoes bite during the early morning and late afternoon. They thrive in urban areas and breed where stagnant water is present, such as bird baths, old tires, clogged gutters, etc.
The transmission cycle begins when an Aedes mosquito bites a person who is already infected by dengue virus, becoming infected itself. Then this virus multiplies inside the mosquito, and after 8 to 12 days, the mosquito can transmit the virus to another person by its bite. This cycle continues as dengue virus can spread to new individuals. Understanding these causes helps us to prevent mosquito breeding sites and protect ourselves from mosquito bites.
ಡೆಂಗ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಡೆಂಗ್ಯೂದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So the symptoms of dengue are vomiting, rashes and nausea. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದಂಗೆನೆ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಮಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ಪೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್.
Prevent yourself from dengue. Start using mosquito repellent, especially during peak mosquito activity time, which is early in the morning and late in the afternoon. Use mosquito repellents containing DEET or Nilgiri oil. ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂತರ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೀವ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
To avoid mosquitoes biting us, we should sleep under mosquitoes net even in the daytime. We should keep our surroundings clean by sanitizing it regularly.
We all must work together to prevent dengue in our community. Regularly check where there is stagnant water. Cover water storage containers tightly. Change water in pet bowls, vases and bird bath regularly. I request authorities to spray insecticides in our society.
There is no specific medicines to treat dengue. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಂಗ್ಯೂ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸಿಟಮಾಲ್ ಇರೋ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
Recovering from dengue can take a lot of time. Here are some tips for rehabilitation. Continue to rest and drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated. Eat healthy foods to regain your strength. Follow your doctor's advice and attend follow-up appointments if needed. Avoid stressful activities until you feel fully recovered.